Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be a wear test. I'm going to be testing out a new concealer that was sent to me by Influencer. It is the new Bare Pro 16-hour full coverage concealer by BareMinerals. They sent it to me in this little box. Looks like this. It is a stick concealer. I don't know if this is my shade because, like I said, it was sent to me by Influencer. If you guys do not know what Influencer is, it's basically like this app/website that you can sign up for, and you basically do like reviews and stuff. Like if you've tried out a product, you'll review the product on their website and stuff like that, and you can get picked to be sent these boxes. They're called like boxes, I believe they are. And they send you like different products. I've received Becca stuff before. I've received a Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette. I've received a lot of things from them, so it's pretty good for someone that's starting out and wants to try free makeup. They'll send you stuff for free for you to review and stuff like that. They did send me this concealer, and it intrigued me because it said it was a 16-hour full coverage concealer. So I was like, you know what? Let's do a wear test and let's figure out if this is actually 16-hour wear. Full coverage. So the shade they sent me was Fair Light Warm 02. Looks like this. It is a stick. Looks like there's quite a good amount of product. I kind of don't want to do it all the way. So it did come with this little card. Let's read what it says. BareMinerals new Bare Pro 16-hour full coverage concealer. A full coverage, crease proof and waterproof concealer that provides skin improving long wear. It's ultra creamy stick, glides on with zero drag to deliver 16-hour full coverage for dark circles and blemishes. Crease proof, waterproof, and humidity resistant formula conceals, corrects, and contours. That is a lot of claims for one little concealer. So let's not drag this video on too long and let's test it out. I already have foundation on and I have some liquid bronzer just so I didn't look so ghostly. I will be testing out the concealer. I'll set it with powder and then I will come back on camera, let you know more or less what I think about it, and then I will do periodic check-ins throughout the day to let you know how it's holding up. So let's test it out. I'm not a big fan of stick concealers, but oh my god, it's super creamy. It like barely drags. It's really creamy and it glides really nicely. Put some a little here. Let's do a little triangle situation there. Let's see if it can. It's gonna be a little light on my blemishes, but this is for sure something that I would want to wear with like full coverage foundation, just because it's so full coverage and it's a little too light for my skin. I wouldn't be able to wear it just like on its own to cover up like my blemishes, but we'll see. I'm going to take a beauty sponge and I'm just going to blend this all up. It blends nicely. Let me put a little bit down my nose just to even things up. I'm going to move in closer to the camera so you can see. I don't see a lot of creasing. I do notice that it's a tad bit light. Perhaps a little bit too light, but it could be because I did not put on a full coverage foundation right now. I put on a very light coverage foundation, so it could be the reason why it's looking a little off to me. For it being a stick concealer, I do really like the formula so far. Let's see how it sets. I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Bye Bye Pores setting powder. This is what I usually set my concealers with. It actually looks really airbrushed and smooth. I do see a little bit of my dark circles peeking through, but that's not something I'm like super concerned about. I set the rest of my face basically where I put the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set my entire face, put the rest of my makeup on, and I will come back and let you know my thoughts so far. Hi guys, I am back. I have already finished my face, my entire face. I set it, everything. I just wanted to let you guys know that I almost ruined my entire makeup and I thought I was gonna have to start over again. I was trying out this Cover FX setting spray. It is the Cover FX illuminating setting spray. I've heard like so many good things about it. Honestly, I've heard like mixed reviews. Some people don't like it because they say it has like glitter in it, and some people do like it. So one of my friends actually gave it to me because she got it and she didn't like it. So she handed it over to me. I tested it out when she gave it to me and it was fine. Like my face looked great. So I figured, let me try it out with this video because it's one of my new setting sprays. And when I sprayed this all over my face, I shook it well like it says to do. It literally sprayed like white shimmer all over my face. It kind of looked like sunscreen with like little particles of shimmer in it all over my face. It looked like I thought I ruined my makeup look completely. It literally got all over the concealer and everything. I had to like spray Fix Plus all over my face again because even when I tried to get the beauty blender to like blend it all out, it wouldn't go anywhere. Like the white specks were everywhere. So I had to spray my face with Fix Plus and then blend everything out, and I think I got more or less all of the specks off of my face. But oh my god, I was so scared. I was like super scared. I mean, I have like a super nice glow like dew going on and I'm not mad at it. I do like it. But I was so scared for a second because I thought my face was ruined. Anyways, that's not what this video is about. So let's talk about the concealer. So far, I really like it. Like I said, it doesn't look like it's that full coverage because I do see a little bit of my dark circles, like just a tad. Like it is full coverage. I don't know. I feel like a little bit of it is peeking through, but it doesn't really bother me that much because I'm not a type of girl that needs like this full coverage concealer because I really don't have like dark circles under my eyes. But other than that, so far it looked really nice. There was like minimal creasing. I hardly saw any creasing and it glided on super nice. Like I said, I don't like stick concealers, but this concealer, it didn't tug at my under eyes. Like it glided really nice and it layered super nicely over my foundation. I didn't have any problems with it. I didn't have any problems setting it, and I did set it with this It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and this is like, not that it's drying, but it's like a matte powder. Like it smooths things out really matte. Like there's no sheen, nothing to it, so it didn't look like cakey or anything under my eyes. So let's see how this lasts throughout the day. I will check back in with you guys in a couple of hours. Right now it's 3:40, so I did start filming this video a little late in the day. I'll probably do this like vlog style. I'll either shoot it on my camera or my phone, but I'll give you guys a check-in in a couple of hours, and I will wear this as long as possible because I don't think I'm going to be able to make 16 hours. So I will go as long as possible, and I will check in with you guys and let you know my final thoughts and to see if it lasted. See you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so it's check-in number 2. It's been about 2.5 to 3 hours that I've had this makeup on. The concealer so far I am not a big fan of. It got super splotchy under my eyes. It faded. My lower lash line, it faded completely. Like it doesn't even look like I have any concealer on my lower lash line. So far it's not doing what it claimed to do. It's not lasting 16 hours and it's not crease proof. I feel like it got super creasy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's just not working for my skin right now. I don't know if it has anything to do with the setting spray mishap. I did have to really blend and put like Fix Plus all over my face just to blend away those glitter splotches. So I don't know if it had anything to do with that, and that's why it's not lasting and it's like fading. So far I am not a big fan of this concealer, but I will let you guys know how I feel about it in my next check-in. Hello, I am back for my final check-in. It is about 10:30 at night, so it's been a total of almost 8 hours, I want to say. And I look like a mess. My makeup has pretty much completely faded. The concealer is a mess. It faded. It's super splotchy. I mean, I think the only thing left is like in my inner corners. So I kind of look like a raccoon a little bit. So, I mean, this concealer is not what it claims to be. At least for me, it was not a 16-hour wear concealer. It was not crease proof because I got super creasy. I mean, I don't know if it has anything to do with my setting spray issue like I explained earlier, but maybe I'll try it out again with a different setting spray and see how it lasts. But as far as today's wear test, it did not go good. If the lighting is a little off, I'm actually doing this from my phone because I took down my entire camera setup that I had earlier. Like I said, it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm about to edit this video so I can have it uploaded for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.